Hey there, William here. What if I told you there's a proven blueprint that can generate passive income for you month after month, year after year, without requiring you to constantly trade your time for money? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around, because today I'll show you exactly how to build a rock-solid passive income stream that practically runs on autopilot. Here's the surprising truth. Most people think passive income is just about rental properties or dividends, but there's actually a much broader, simpler approach that can set you up for financial freedom much faster. Curious to know what that is? We'll get into it in just a moment, but first, let's quickly break down what passive income really means, and more importantly, what it doesn't mean. Passive income isn't some magical way to get rich overnight. It's about creating reliable income sources that earn you money without constant effort. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing notifications that you've earned money while you slept. That's exactly what passive income can do for you. But here's the twist. Not every passive income idea you see online actually works. Some methods are overrated or even downright scams. So today, I'll walk you through only the most realistic, sustainable, and proven passive income strategies. Let's start with one of the most beginner-friendly options, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing simply means you promote products or services and earn a commission every time someone buys through your referral link. The beauty of this is that you don't need your own product or service. Just recommend what you genuinely believe in. But here's the question. How do you actually start affiliate marketing in a way that truly generates consistent passive income? The secret is creating evergreen content. Evergreen content means content that's relevant not just today, but months and years from now. Think blogs, YouTube videos, or podcasts reviewing essential tools, books, or software. By creating helpful, evergreen reviews, your affiliate links keep generating income long after you've published the content. It's a powerful, proven strategy. But maybe you're thinking, affiliate marketing sounds great, but what if I'm camera shy or writing isn't my strong suit? Don't worry, the next passive income method is perfect for anyone who prefers a behind-the-scenes approach. I'm talking about selling digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, online courses, or printable guides. You create them once, list them online, and they keep selling day after day, completely hands-off. The real question is, how can you create digital products that people actually want to buy? Here's the answer. Solve a specific, urgent problem. For example, if you're great at budgeting, create an easy-to-follow budgeting guide. If you're good at graphic design, sell customizable templates. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website make this incredibly easy, even if you have zero technical skills. But now you're probably wondering, what if I want something even more hands-free, something truly passive? That's where dividend investing comes in. Dividend stocks pay you regularly simply for owning shares of certain companies. It's one of the simplest, most hands-off passive income methods available. But before you rush off to buy stocks, remember this crucial rule. Focus on companies with a history of stable and growing dividends. Companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson have reliably paid dividends for decades. Your dividends grow over time, especially if you reinvest them to buy even more shares. However, there's one common pitfall with dividend investing that most beginners completely overlook. It's essential you avoid this mistake if you want your dividends to actually build meaningful wealth. What exactly is this mistake, and how can you ensure your dividends don't get wiped out overnight? I'll reveal this critical error and exactly how you can avoid it shortly. But first, let's quickly touch on one more incredible passive income stream that's gaining massive popularity: renting out digital assets. Renting out digital assets means creating something valuable once and then licensing it out repeatedly. Think about professional photography, videos, music tracks, or even domain names. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Envato allow you to earn royalties every time someone licenses your work. But here's something shocking. Most creators don't realize how quickly their royalties can add up. Imagine uploading just 10 quality photos or music tracks and seeing consistent royalties roll in month after month. It's truly passive and scalable. Now, you're probably eager to learn the most crucial strategies and secrets to maximize earnings from each of these passive income streams, and especially how to avoid that critical dividend mistake I mentioned earlier. Stick with me, because in just a moment, I'll share precisely how you can combine all these powerful methods into one ultimate blueprint, turning your passive income dream into reality, faster and easier than you ever imagined. First, let's tackle that critical dividend investing mistake I hinted at earlier. Many beginners chase stocks with the highest dividend yields, assuming more is always better. But here's the truth. Super high yields can be red flags. A huge dividend payout might indicate the company is struggling, or using dividends to attract investors temporarily. So, what's the safer strategy? The key is consistency and growth, not just high yields. Stick to proven companies with steadily increasing dividends year after year. Think steady blue chip stocks or reliable dividend ETFs. This simple adjustment can save you from costly investment errors, securing a reliable passive income stream that grows steadily over time. Now you're probably wondering, how do you effectively combine affiliate marketing, digital products, dividend investing, and digital asset licensing into one powerful, cohesive blueprint? It's simpler than you think. The secret lies in creating what I call a passive income ecosystem. Each stream supports and amplifies the others, creating a snowball effect. Here's how it works. You start by building an audience through evergreen content, blogs, YouTube, or social media. Within this content, naturally embed your affiliate links. As your audience grows, introduce them to your digital products that solve their specific problems. Your digital products earn passive sales while reinforcing your affiliate earnings. Then, use a portion of your passive income profits to steadily invest in reliable dividend stocks. This means your money is actively generating more passive income, compounding over time. Meanwhile, any digital assets you've created, photos, music, or videos, continue generating royalties from licensing websites completely hands-off. By structuring your passive income streams this way, you're not just building separate income sources. You're creating an interconnected system where each stream strengthens the others. Imagine having multiple streams of income flowing into your bank account each month, providing you with genuine financial freedom. But now you're probably asking, how exactly do I start creating evergreen content that builds this audience effectively? Great question. Let me share a straightforward approach you can use right away. First, identify a specific niche or interest you truly enjoy or know well. This could be personal finance, productivity hacks, travel tips, or health and fitness. Create helpful content answering questions or solving problems your audience consistently searches for. Tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, or TubeBuddy make finding popular evergreen topics incredibly simple. Next, consistently publish high-quality content, ideally weekly, to build trust and credibility. Gradually introduce relevant affiliate products, your own digital products, and periodically mention your investing strategies and digital assets. Remember, the goal isn't to sell aggressively, but to genuinely help your audience. Finally, automate as much as possible. Schedule content in advance, set up automatic dividend reinvestments, and utilize platforms to manage digital product sales and royalties. The less time you spend managing these processes, the more truly passive your income becomes. But here's the ultimate question. How much passive income can you realistically expect from this blueprint? While results vary, even beginners following this approach can realistically generate hundreds to thousands of dollars each month within a year or two, and significantly more as their content and investments mature. The best part? Your passive income grows exponentially. Content published today continues earning income next year, and dividends reinvested today generate even more dividends later. Over time, your passive income ecosystem becomes self-sustaining, providing increasing financial freedom with minimal ongoing effort. So why wait? Implementing this ultimate passive income blueprint isn't complicated. It just requires commitment, consistency, and the right strategy. Imagine waking up each morning to notifications showing your passive income steadily growing, knowing your financial future is secured. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead, take action today, and start building the passive income lifestyle you've always dreamed of. I'll catch you in the next video. Next.